Good afternoon. It is August the 28th, 2017. Time to shut her down for today and take a look at tonight and tomorrow morning. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may be under overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, the E-mini today, we came in and wanted to sell 49s to 51s. And we just touched it right there. Our first buy was 40 to 42. That did give us some trading in this area right here. Did not develop. Our second buy was 35 to 37, and we did not quite get there. So, good selling off the opening. It was a V-top. You had to go to your Renko chart. A resting limit sell. Fat bar coming out the bottom trade to even have a trade set up. We didn't get our S's until down here, and they produced 2-point trades. This buy was profitable, good for 3, and another 2-point trade here. Retest failure, mean green. Second trade of the day was positive, and then we just kind of motor sideways, head out the side door. So volume's very low, 729. I don't imagine that will improve tomorrow. Okay, lower high, lower low. Can look for a place to sell it based on the F1. Looking at the F2 screen. Definitely a B, looking for a place to sell it. So 44, 46, sell 1. 49.50, sell 2. On the buy side, 35, 37, buy 1. 30, 32, buy 2. I'm guessing because of last week, the summer, that we're dealing with a holiday week. Trading range markets for the most part, unless we get a big piece of news that takes the market out of the current trading range. Excuse me, got a dry cough today. Apologize for that. Okay, we actually played the auction pretty well today. We thought the market would be up into the 2-year, down into the 5-year, and that's exactly what happened. 7-year tomorrow. We had such a strong 5-year auction, it may not be as strong as a 5-year. Higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it. That would make sense during auction time. And do an eye split. So 127 is resistance. So this 127 area, 127.04, definitely 127.08 is where the selling is. So because they can't move the paper in the straight up market, we'll make 31 to 03, sell 1. And then 7 to 11, sell 2. We have Case-Shiller tomorrow, plus 0.3. Consumer confidence, 120.6. Focus will be consumer confidence. And whatever comes out, whatever news comes out on Harvey. I'd like to buy it a little cheaper. I think they can run it down. So let's go for I'll make 24.28 buy 1. 17 to 21 buy 2. Dealers have no risk. They've got to put to the Fed if they can't move the paper. They will make that. This is Fed control of the markets is the best thing that's ever happened to The primary dealers, they have no risk. They make their markup. They can get paid on overnight funds. I mean, it's just a very, very nice circumstance they find themselves in. Looking at the 30-year, 20 to 24, number 1, sell 27s to 31, sell 1, 3 to 7, sell 2. On the buy side, 8 to 12, 1 to 5 by 1, 25, 29 by 2. Looking at gold, strong. It broke out today. We've talked about that all day long. There's the attractor up there, that 1325, 1330. Strong P on our F2 screen. So we'll put 19 to 21, sell 1, a little bit higher in London. 24, 26, sell 2. On the buy side, 10 to 12, and 5 to 7. Let them retest the breakout. Looking at crude. Crude's an interesting play right now. It's if you're a spreader, you probably had your head handed to you this weekend. Got an outside day today. We can trade it both ways. Had a nice recovery on the close. Shorts came out, so right here's your structural sell. We're leaning against 47. So we're selling 46.75s, 47, sell 1, 47 and a quarter, 47.50, sell 2. On the buy side, we blew right through 50, so 25 to 50 buy 1, 45.75, 46 buy 2. And crude, after a couple of false starts, delivered for us today. Got us our business plan. Have to keep chipping away at it. And the euro, Draghi's got to be pulling out his hair on that deal. I mean, it is strong, so stops above 120 is where we are. Took a while to get there, didn't it? We've been talking about 120 for 3 weeks. Didn't know what it would take to get there, how long it would take, but eventually we did get there. Structurally, that was the trade. So we're selling 120 plus or minus, sell 1. 120.25, sell 2. 1975 buy 1. 1950 buy 2. That does it for this August the 28th 2017. I'll see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. Thomas, I talked to Melissa. She's going to get you assigned. Should be in good shape to start out tomorrow. Y'all have a great evening. Mañana.